Okay, so this is a continuation video from a previous video I made where I had went to get laser hair removal and it left some scarring on both of my arms. This video starts at day 15, and here you could see, what my arms look like on day 15 right here. This is day 19. A few days ago, I did go to see a dermatologist. She prescribed me 2 medications to apply topically 2 to 3 times a day. I did pick up those medications a couple days ago, and I'm going to see how those work out. Okay, so about 4 days ago, I went to go speak to the in-house doctor the laser hair removal place uses. He gave me a completely different story than what the manager told me. According to the manager, she told me what caused these burns is the joule settings on the machine being way too high. The operator was still in training, the person that did it, and that's what caused the burns. According to the doctor, he did say that this is something that naturally happens to 0.01% of people out there, and I was just one of the unlucky ones. And he did mention, after asking him, that the machine is designed to treat people that are, much darker than me. I also want to note that I've been treated at 3 other laser hair removal places prior to this, and nothing like this has ever happened. I did ask this place to provide me with the settings that they use on the machine, and they refused to provide me with those settings. So today is the first day I begin to use 2 of the topicals the dermatologist prescribed to me. One is a cream, one is a ointment. One of them is to minimize, scar tissue from forming, and I believe the other one is to help the skin regain pigment. So today is going to be the first day I begin using those. They are to be applied 2 to 3 times daily, both of them at the same time, and that's what I'm going to start doing. So the dermatologist told me the way these should be applied, I should apply the cream first, then the ointment on top of the cream, and then if I want to, optionally, I could apply the scar away on top of the cream and the ointment. And then I should do this again 2 to 3 times daily for at least 3 months. Now, if you try to go to sleep with the scar away on your skin, this is what you're going to wake up with, all over your bed, and you can't reuse the stuff after this happens. So I decided to put some sports tape to keep it on if I'm going to sleep in them. You could use these scar away pads up to 12 hours a day. The first time I did do it a little bit too tight. Okay, it's been a little over 3 weeks, and this is what my arms look like. This is day 24 and day 25. I also joined about 5 or 6 Facebook groups about laser hair removal to see what other people think and if they think these scars will heal. And here's just some of the comments some of the people had to say. The vast majority of these people in these groups agree that it's unlikely that these scars will ever fully heal. It'll take a lot of time to heal, and a lot of different things need to be done for them to heal properly, as far as maintenance and different procedures that could be done. They also all agree that the main cause of this problem is most likely was not the machine, but the person operating the machine, since this type of laser is designed to treat people that have dark skin. Another thing people agreed on is that hypopigmentation, when the skin lightens, is a lot harder to treat and cure than hyperpigmentation, which is when the skin gets darker. That's a lot easier to treat than hypopigmentation. This post was posted by an RN, and this person, had to say that they have seen this type of pigment damage before and it rarely returns. And she disagrees that, people don't sometimes burn. This is due to incompetent technicians, which, is the case here. And it could take possible years of professional treatments to rectify the problem. So I may release another update video, maybe 2 weeks or a month or 2 months out. I'm not really sure yet. But that's it for this video.